Hello everyone! On my old tutorials, I show you how to draw the Chiara backdrop by using Illustrator and show you how to use the template. Look, in different file to make the bottom garland, bottom chain to decorate the backdrop. And also show you how to cut out the bottom garland, bottom chain to decorate the backdrop if you don't want to buy the template. And on today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a flower garland. If you cannot get the satisfied flower garland, even search from the template you got or from the picture online. So we can DIY the flower garland ourselves. But still, we need to use the template. Okay, first of all, let's open our Illustrator and open the Chiara backdrop we draw before. If you are interested to how to draw the Chiara backdrop, click here for the old tutorial. And today, I will make a flower garland to decorate the arch. So I will delete these two backdrops. Okay, then I will make flower garland to decorate on this side. First of all, pick this tool to select this arch. Object, lock. So this arch lock on here as a background. It will not be moved when we making the garland. Okay, then let's pick the template. First of all, I will use this one. Drag to the Illustrator. And then find embed on this toolbar. Embed. The first option. Convert layers to object. Okay. And then right click. Release to layers. Okay, so we can delete this background. And I will move this aside. Right click, unglue, and use this tool to select the whole material. Press Alt to make a copy. And I will move it on the bottom of the arch. And I need to make it larger or smaller to make the size match with our arch. Use this tool to click all the material. Press Shift and Alt to make it smaller or larger so that we can fit the size of the arch. Okay. And for this material, I will separate every flower and leaf to see what we get. Okay, look, I got all this material. And then, look, we will use them to put on the arch. Of course, we will spend a lot of time if we put them on the arch one by one. So I will use this tool and select this material. Press Ctrl and drag to display. So we get another copy. And I will remove some of the branch to make the shape we want. Left click the branch we don't want and press delete. So we can delete the branch. Okay, I want it to be slim. And select the whole material. And drag and put on it. Then we can adjust the angle, the direction. look like this. This is the fast way to make the garland. And if you want to make it one by one, okay, you can use this part. And also use the control and drag the leaf. We can got another copy one. And we can adjust the direction. Okay, so it depends on what you want. Okay, let's put on some greenery. We can make it larger. Okay, since in reality I don't use a lot of yellow flowers, so I will remove it. Press delete will be okay. Okay, then let's check our template to see what we can use to add. Oh, I think this is cool. So, Sam, drag to our illustrator. Embed. Release to layer. Okay, we got other new material. Ungroup to release them. Okay, and then we need to put some flowers. I like this rose and milk white rose. Okay, much more better now. But I need something much more red. So let's check from our template. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, completed. Let's remove the flowers we don't need. Click and press delete. Select, then press delete. Okay, look, almost complete. What do you think? And then since they are flower, every flower is separate, so we need to group them together. But first of all, we need to remove this arch. Remember, we locked it before, so we need to unlock. Okay, so remove it. And then use this tool to select all the garland. Right-click and group. Oh, the group not here. So we can find the group on display, but you also could go object group. Okay, so we got the flower garland like this. And then let's combine them together. Put them together. Okay, this is today's tutorial. And the following tutorials, I will use all the backdrop we draw and the bottom garland, bottom chain and flower garland we make, and combine them together to make an effect picture. And then I will print up the backdrop and make the flower garland with flowers and make the design in reality. If you are interested, please follow my channel. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.